Woo! Welcome back to another vlog. I know I look at how I'm in the process of getting ready, but welcome back. We've been gone for a minute, but we are back. This weekend we are headed to the beach. It's currently raining outside, so that's the downfall for today, but we're heading out later. Right now I'm about to get ready. I'm gonna show you everybody that's downstairs. They already ready.
Who's ready to play? Are we the hunters or are we the prey? Who's in the shadows? Who's ready to play? Are we the hunters or are we the prey?
Move, cause it's crowded in here and y'all ain't making it no better. MJ, look. What, but? But y'all, I'm finna figure out what I want. I'll see you guys when we get to the room, or if we go get something to eat, whatever happens. Cause they about to get on my nerves and I already got a headache. So see you guys later. Made it. I got so much stuff in my lap, that's why I can't really get the footage because something about to fall out the door. But we made it, y'all. We standing there right there. It's called Oceans 1. We in Murder Beach. Yeah, it's still raining.
Ocean 1, not Ocean.
It do got an S on it. It's OCEANS 0, not 0. ONE. I know what I see. But yeah, guys, we are here. We are checking in. Y'all see all the stuff I got? And this is not even all of it. You can't really see it all. Look back there. So, hey, y'all.
Hey! Go follow my YouTube channel, y'all.
We give a shout outs right now, but yeah. Right now we about this. My mom and my sister is in there checking us in. Once they do that, we're gonna unload all this stuff. So I guess I see y'all when we get in the room. We also have a room tour, so make sure you check that out. It should be up before this video, so make sure you check it out and see how big our room is that we're staying in. Other than that, bye. See you guys later. We are here. We're unloading. Trying to get in the room. Let me try my key. Remember where your key? I didn't never take it out. This is nice, y'all. I know I just ran through. We got a full kitchen. This is the room. Look at her room. Hey, let me go to my room. This is my room. Yes. We don't lay that bed out. They smell here. Thank y'all. What?
Go follow my YouTube channel.
You don't need to eat. You gonna follow and pick the law. Where my water at? I food stuff. I can't do my diet on there. Diet. Who got my water from right here? Diet. Jason. Do I fall asleep on the way?
No, she don't never fall asleep.
Tony, that's Billy. Billy got. Take it with you, mama. Take it with you.
She got that sleep acne.
Shut up.
Yeah, we eating. Eating. Look at him. But yeah, we about to finish eating and then we probably go out
Our church ain't in there.
about 7. So we'll see you guys then. But yeah, bye.
Playing now.
So guys, we're done eating. Now we about to play Uno. Ain't no more chill. But we about to play Uno.
I got a 4.
And then I don't know what's gonna happen after that. See you guys later. Well guys, as you can see, it's dark. Yeah, I tried to.
Jessica, don't do that with mama.
make it see where y'all can see it,
What
but
happened to your phone fail?
I would just go buy a new one tomorrow.
I had it land in the trash can.
So, you know what? Let me. Well, guys, I'm about to end this vlog off. Don't mind my hair. Woo, I forgot to put my head on. But anyways, I'm about to end this vlog off. I hope you like it. It might be short, but make sure you watch the whole thing because it has our room tour on it. We just came back from the grocery store. I forgot to record. But other than that, I'm finna end this vlog off. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and stay tuned tomorrow for another vlog. Bye.